P.K. Kunhalikutti.
Sir, I oppose this bill. Sir, this bill, which is in the name of the farmers, is not going to help them at all. It is not going to help the farmers. The recent financial package we saw, that was in the name of the poor people, the ordinary people, the workers, and the unemployed and all that. But what happened? It helped the corporate people only, the moneyed people only, the wealthy people only. Like that, this law being passed, that has become the policy of the ruling party nowadays. Everything is in the name of the poor, everybody is in the name of the workers, laborers, farmers and all that. But ultimately, it helped the corporate, ultimately it helped the moneyed people, the wealthy people. Like that, the farmers bill also, finally it will help the corporate, the moneyed wealthy people only. So that is why the entire farmers organization, no farmer organization, real farmers organizations are supporting this bill. Many from that side that this is for the farmers, but at least some organizations, people from this sector, farmers should support this. Nobody is supporting, everybody is opposing this bill. So central government is aware this is best time to pass such laws. All laws are for big people, all laws are the corporate bodies. This is the situation, this is lockdown situation, this epidemic situation, this corona situation. When it is, government knows there will not be much opposition for anything. Since they have found this to pass this unpopular bill. This is a black day in the history of the Indian farmers. There is no doubt about that. Farmers are demanding support. Farmers, Indian farmers always require support. They require support, price, loan waiver, to stop import things. Always this had been their demand. Is there any provision for that in this bill? Is there any place for such long pending demand of the ordinary farmers? Has found any place in this bill? There is not at all. Only we are saying free market, free selling. If it had been that, farmers could sell anywhere. That was the situation. But now you are compelling them, controlling. By law you are controlling and you are entering the territory of the power of the state. That is why you are, this is for the corporate body, just no doubt. In our country, only 20% of the farmers are large scale. The rest, the 80% are ordinary people. Once the private companies, big companies are allowed to enter this sector, once they are allowed to put their feet there, then there won't be any end to anything. Now they will control the market. They will decide the price. That is what is going to happen. There is no doubt about that. That's why I say government, this is another sale. PSUs are being sold. Big PSUs are being sold. This is another sale. Agriculture sector is being sold. That is what the meaning of this law that is being passed. Now the agriculture sector also is being sold to the big people. So I oppose this bill. This is a black day in the history of Indian farmer. Now everything is going to be controlled by the corporate body. Price also, retail price also will be decided by, we will see what is going to happen in near future. Wait and see, we will see that is going to happen. But as our honorable member said, you will not be there in power. Always a day will come, the Indian farmer and the Indian voter will reject you totally. That's what is going